Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back to Mr. Grable's Grade 3 math class, where we measure time. As the seconds tick by, I can see on the computer, we are on page 63, 6 tens, 3 ones, and there are also some objects here that measure time. This phone, I can talk to people on it, but it also tells me it's 10:22 a.m. 10 hours and 22 minutes. And I wear this watch sometimes, and it tells me it is 10:21 a.m. and it will even tell me the seconds too if I click on there. And even on my bike, sometimes I'm riding around and I can see how fast I'm going. It also tells me the time. And this one, kind of a fancy clock. It's called a face clock because you see how it's round, kind of like your face. And then it has Roman numerals on it. So actually at the very top is 12. That's the X11 kind of looks like. At the very bottom there is a 6. It's a V1. And you can see that it has 3 hands. The second hand that, it is moving. It's moving there, kind of the golden one. Then you have the longer one. It's called the minute hand. It measures the minutes. Then of course the shorter one measures the hours. Okay, there you go. Now, today, we are talking about that on practice page 63. Talking about measuring. Would you use minutes, hours, or seconds to measure how long it takes? Okay, so you have to think. Would you use seconds, just very short time? Minutes, about 15 minutes for recess, about a minute or two to brush your teeth. Or would you use hours, where it's like the whole day long, or like a movie, it's about an hour or two, okay? You sleep for 10 or 11 hours sometimes, 9, 12. Okay, so there we go. 1A says eat you lunch. Oops. Eat your lunch. Okay, so is it going to just take you seconds to eat your lunch? I hope not. Hours? Oh, well, we don't even get a whole hour for lunch at school. So it must be minutes. Yes, it takes you, I don't know, somewhere between 5 and 20 minutes. Depends on how fast you eat your lunch. Print your name. Oh boy, hope it doesn't take hours. No, not hours. Not even minutes. I think you could probably print your name in 5 seconds even. So definitely S for seconds. Oh, maybe we should write these out. So we get used to writing through seconds. So I remember how to spell that. Minutes. It's got the word nut in there. Minutes. There you go. And you can try C and D on your own. And I'm going to let you skip on to number 3 too. We'll let you do 2 by yourself. Name an activity that can be done in 1 minute. 3A1. Well, we just said, I guess brush your teeth. You're supposed to take almost 2 minutes. But it's kind of one that we kind of are familiar with. Brush your teeth. At least a minute. Most dentists will tell you 2 minutes. So about a minute though. Okay, how about 1 hour? Something that takes an hour. Well, I'm going to make this obvious. Math class. Often it's half an hour to an hour, but estimating, not bad. Okay, a TV show, math class, something like that. 5 minutes and 10 seconds you can try on your own. And finally, we have 4 here, which I thought was a real interesting one because it says use greater than, less than, or equal to. Remember those symbols? Remember there? Greater than, less than, or equal. Okay, so we can use this for time, we can use this for numbers. Remember the mouth opens to the bigger one. So don't be tricked. This is kind of like money. This is kind of like place value. Remember, hours are bigger than minutes and seconds. So even though it says 1 hour, 60 minutes, oh, they're trying to trick you, aren't they? Remember, how long is 1 hour? It's 60 minutes. That's equal. Oh, they tried to trick you on that one. How about B? 50 seconds or 1 minute. You have to think how many minutes are in a second. How many seconds are in a minute? Oh, I remember. There's 60 seconds in a minute. So that means that's actually 60 seconds and 50 seconds. Ooh, the mouth will open towards the 1 minute. 1 minute is actually greater than 50 seconds. Yeah. Even though 50 seems way bigger, it's way bigger than 1. C says 47 minutes or 1 hour. Oh, well, we just learned that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So that's 60. 60 is greater than 47. 1 hour. There you go. And finally, 1 minute or 60 seconds. Hey, they trying to trick us again? 1 minute's the same as 60 seconds. That's equal. There you go. A great lesson on time. Have a great time today, whether you use seconds, minutes, or hours. Bye-bye.